Hey guys, this is Speed Element. We're based out in San Jose, California, Bay Area, and this is our new fresh build '09 BMW Z4. As far as the brakes, we went with R1 Concepts, the Forge series, 8-piston front, 6-piston rear with drilled and slotted rotors. And then actually finding for brakes for this Z4 is kind of tough, so had to look for a company that would actually support the electronic e-brake system on the Z4, and R1 Concepts came through, hooked us up with the big brake kit front and rear, and that will actually match the vinyl too. For the most part, fully built car, let's say you're going go fast mods, you need some stopping power. And also if you're getting some upgraded wheels with, wide windows where you can see the brakes, it kind of looks kind of iffy with small stock brakes on there. And also you want something that just, that's cohesive, it flows with the whole car. Here at Speed Element, we run the R1 Concept brakes, whether it be, domestic cars, Japanese cars, they always come through because they always have the option that we need. And also the parts availability that, most of these parts actually fit on the car that we mainly work on. It's all plug and play, which is a good thing, especially in the automotive industry.